会場のグッズ売り場を見ていると、同じグループの商品でも、売れ方にはかなり違いが出ることがあります。今回、乃木坂46のグッズをめぐって注目されたのが、あるメンバーの商品が短時間で完売した一方で、五百条真央さんや池田栄紗さんの商品には在庫が残っているという話です。ただ、ここで大事なのは、売れ残りだけを見て人気を判断するのは難しいということです。グッズの販売数には、用意された数量、販売方法、購入するタイミング、商品の種類など、いくつもの要素が関係します。完売した商品も、最初から少ない数しか用意されていなかった可能性がありますし、逆に在庫が残っている商品も、単純に人気が低いと決めつけることはできません。それでも、こうした状況がファンの間で話題になるのは自然なことだと思います。グッズは、メンバーへの応援を目に見える形にできるものだからです。だからこそ、誰の商品が早く売れたのか、どの商品が残っているのかという数字や状況に、ファンが敏感になるのでしょう。一方で、五百条さんや池田さんについても、グッズの在庫だけで活動全体の評価を語ることはできません。楽曲での存在感、テレビや配信での出演、ライブでの反応など、メンバーを支える要素は他にもたくさんあります。今回の話で興味深いのは、グッズ販売が単なる買い物ではなく、ファンの動きが目に見える場所になっていることです。完売という一つの結果から人気を読み取りたくなる気持ちはわかります。でも、その数字の裏側には、販売条件やタイミングもあります。だからこそ、目の前の在庫だけではなく、もう少し広い視点で見ていく必要があるのだと思います。
The recent discussions around Nokizaka 46 merchandise has drawn attention to the noticeable difference in how quickly individual members' goods appear to sell out. Some fifth generation members have reportedly seen towels and other popular items disappear from the online store at remarkable speed, while merchandise from other members has remained available for longer. Naturally, fans have started comparing these results and wondering whether the difference reflects change in popularity within the generation. However, merchandise sales are not as straightforward as a popularity ranking. The number of products per pair for each members can vary, and production discussions are influenced by previous sales, expected demands, event schedules, and inventory risk. Because of that, a faster sale out does not automatically mean that one member has a large overall fan base than another. In fact, an early sale out can sometimes indicate that demand was underestimated rather than that was member is dramatic more popular. At the same time, having stock remaining does not necessarily mean weak demand. If significantly more units were produced, the items may simply require more time to sail through. Without knowing the exact production quantities and sales figure, it is difficult to make a precise comparison. There is also an important difference between dedicated merchandise buyers and the broader audience surrounding an ideal. A member can have a strong visibility through television, artistic projects, social media, or other activities, while attracting fans who do not necessarily purchase every price. For fans, these numbers certainly be exciting. Seeing a favorite member's merchandise sales out quickly can feel like a visible sign of support, especially during a major national tour, but turning very sales out in a competitions can also create unnecessary arguments between different fan communities. Ultimately, the success of an idea should not be judged by one sales charts or how many minutes or an items remain available. Live performance in audience connection, consistency, creativity, and long-term popularity all contribute to an artist's value. Merchandise sales are an interesting snapshot of demand, but they are only one piece of a much larger picture. As a Nokizaka 46 fifth generation continues to develop, the more meaningful question may be how each member builds a lasting relationship with fans over a time. So, if you like this update, must subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends.